All right, so I've got ADE and ABC, and that's all it tells you about. It says, are they similar? So if you highlighted those two angles and said no because I need two pairs of angles, you have a pretty good understanding of what's going on. All right, but this is a little bit harder of a problem because we have to think about it a little bit more than that. All right, that would be a trick that if it got tossed in would be, I mean, it wouldn't be out of the realm of possibilities, but I didn't think about it enough. Okay, do I have a second pair of angles? Now, we've talked about this probably super briefly because we haven't really done much involving any proofs yet. If you're taking, taking this class from me, that green angle up there is actually in two different triangles. It's in this orange triangle, and it's also in this purple triangle. Now, it can't change from one triangle to the other. Okay, that's called the reflexive property when something is in two different triangles. And we put an X on it when we were looking at it. Mostly we probably did it with sides when we were playing around with similar triangles, but it does happen in angles too. All right, so I'm going to say angle DAE is shared between the triangles. Okay, so it's shared. That's a pair of congruent angles, even though it doesn't really seem like it is. All right, that green angle, if it's 50, it's 50 in both triangles. All right, you can also, and this is something that who knows if you remember this, if we talked about even for a brief second, you can say these two lines are parallel because the yellow angles are corresponding. And then if they're parallel, you have a second pair of corresponding angles. This is a very advanced problem. All right, are the triangles congruent? They are because of angle. Which two triangles are congruent? All right, well, green is A, yellow is D, blank is E. Green is A, yellow is B, blank is C. Okay, now this again is that kind of top next level thing that we have to be able to look for when we're doing problems like this.